Hi everyone, in today's video I will test Tunesona AI and see if it can really create music and videos in just a few clicks. Recently, I was looking for tools that can generate music automatically, and I came across Tunesona AI. It caught my attention because it claims you can create both music and videos for your songs very easily. So let's test it. First, we need to open the website tunesona.com. As you can see, the interface looks simple and easy to use. It offers many features like creating complete songs, editable lyrics and musical direction, multiple versions and iterations, and everything is ready for real-world use. You can also use templates for pop, hip-hop, rap, or instrumental music. As I can see, you can create songs with lyrics, instrumental tracks, and different styles. However, let's see how it works and how it sounds. To start, I will try creating a basic instrumental track. Just type any text you want your music to be. I will start with something simple, like a horror-style background soundtrack. As you can see, just type and click on Generate. After a few seconds, the creation will start. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, or up to a minute. During the waiting time, I notice there are also extra options like deepen the claustrophobic atmosphere, enrich string layers, make the sound more intense. You can select these if you want, but for now I will keep it standard. Now the music is finished, let's listen to it. Wow, honestly, wow. As you can hear, it sounds really good for an automatically generated track. You can use this for horror videos or similar content. There are also options to download with a commercial license, but keep in mind this is only available for paid plans like monthly, pro, or lifetime. You can also share directly to social networks. And for downloading, you can choose to download the song, lyrics, instrumental, or full version. One very interesting feature is that you can also generate a video for the song, but I will test that next. Now let's try creating a full song, not just instrumental. This time, I will try something simple, maybe combine genres like pop and techno to see how it works. Again, I click Generate and wait a few seconds. As we can see, first the lyrics are created, then the song generation continues. Also, we need to wait a few seconds, sometimes up to a minute, for the song to finish generating. Now we have a complete song. Let's listen to it.
Every heartbeat lighting up like a spark in a rainstorm, lighting everything at once. I'm afraid and I'm feeling glitter on you. You say I'm glad.
Again, I can say wow. The combination of pop and techno sounds really good. Now let's move to the video feature. As I mentioned, Tunesona also allows you to generate a video based on your music. Just select Generate Video. Then you can choose the format, like 9:16 or 16:9, depending on your needs. After selecting the format, just tap Download to start generating the video. Keep in mind, this feature is not available on the free plan. It works only on paid versions. The download may take a few seconds or up to a minute, depending on the song and your internet speed. Now the download is complete, let's see the video. It looks really good, with lyrics synced to the music. This is perfect if you want to create content for YouTube or social media in just a few clicks. Overall, Tunesona AI is very easy to use and can save a lot of time if you need quick music and video content. Of course, it may not replace professional production, but for simple projects, it works really well. And that's it. This was my test of Tunesona AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.